Hi, good morning dear students. How are you this morning? I hope everyone doing well. Okay, fine. In this video I am going to continue the story Attitude is Altitude where I stopped in the previous video. I am hoping you can definitely understand it. Okay? So I am going to read the passage. I am hoping everyone looking into your books very carefully. She was amazing, said Nick. She taught me how to surf and I was terrified at first, but once I got up there, it felt absolutely fantastic. And I caught some waves pretty well. Nick quickly learned how to do the 360-degree spins on his board, a feat that got him on the cover of Surfer magazine within 48 hours. No one has ever done that in the history of surfing, he said, but I have a very low center of gravity, so I have got pretty good balance. So dear students, in this passage Nick sir is going to explain about his surfing master and surfing. So she was amazing. In this sentence, she refers Bethany Hamilton. When Nick sir went to learn surfing first time in his life, got very terrifying situation. But unfortunately, he learned that. He tried many times and he learned. So after he learned surfing, immediately started to learn how to do 360-degree spin with his board. So as soon as he learned that feat also, because of that feat, he got a cover of Surfer magazine just within a 48 hours. So it is one of the best moment which is happened in Nick sir's life. So that we have to understand. Next, no one before Nick sir done that kind of situation in surfing. So it is the first time. So Nick sir made a history in surfing just within a 48 hours. So how it is possible by him only is low gravity force. So it is the thing what happened in Nick sir's life. And next I am going to read the next passage. He has visited different countries all over the world. So Nick sir visited number of countries in the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker. So we know very well about Nick sir. Nick sir can play football. That's why he is a huge fan of football. That we know already. But now the football fan became motivational speaker and he motivated number of people up to 110,000 people all over in India. So he visited totally 24 different countries in the world. 24 different countries in the world. That is very important what we remember. He moved to Los Angeles in 2007. Of course, we know very well that Nick sir got his birth in Melbourne, which is located in Australia. But unfortunately, some years later, he moved from Melbourne to Los Angeles. It is happened by Nick sir in the year of 2007. And he planned to continue to travel the world. So after he moved Los Angeles, he planned to travel all over the world. In the year of 2009, he visited South America and the Middle East. In the year of 2009, it happened by him. So in the year of 2008, it is very important year in his life. So in the year of 2008, Ken Miyahara, a beautiful young girl whose mother was a Mexican and whose father was a Japanese, attended to a meeting where Nick was the guest speaker in Texas. You know something, Ken Miyahara, her father was a Japanese, her mother was a Mexican. Unfortunately, in the year of 2008, Nick sir came Texas as a guest speaker. So unfortunately, Ken Miyahara also attended that function. After listening Nick sir message in that function, Ken attracted a lot with the Nick sir message. From onwards, they keep in touch each other and they shared their ideas and give hope to many peoples. And finally, they became a close friends. Finally, they fell in love and their engagement happened in August 2011. So after they became a close, immediately, very soon, they fell in love each other and their engagement happened in the year of 2011, August. Nick put the engagement ring on Ken's finger with his mouth. You know something? Nick sir put engagement ring with the Ken's finger with his mouth. This is a very fantastic moment in his life. And then said the most beautiful words ever girl wants to hear coming out from her man's mouth. Baby, I love you. So after putting ring to the Ken's words, he said a wonderful word to Ken. Baby, I love you so much. So it is one of the best moment in both lives. In both lives. Nick and Ken got married on February 12th, 2012. So in the year of 2012, on February 12th, they got married each other. And on February 13, 2013, they were blessed with the birth of a healthy baby boy with full body. So in the year of 2013, February 13 exactly, on that day they got a baby. But this baby was fully healthy and he got a full body. So it is one of the best moment what happened in their life. Nick and Ken wrote an inspirational book, Love Without Limits, together, and it was published in 2014. You know something? Ken and her husband written a book. The name of that book is Love Without Limits. Love Without Limits. It is published in the year of 2014. It is published in the year of 2014. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. Basically, what is going to say Nick in this passage? If he fails, for example, if he fails, he will definitely try again and again. Are you trying in the same manner if you get any failure in your life? So if you do that, definitely you can achieve finally. You can definitely achieve it. So whenever we get a failure, we can definitely keep trying again and again. Okay? So if you maintain that kind of attitude, definitely you become a successful person in that work. So what will decide our success is, so whenever we get a failure, we just to keep trying. That only makes us in success. Are you going to finish strong? So whenever you get a failure, you become a very immediately this is not happen by me, so it is not need to do again and again. So you don't think in that way. Definitely that is possible by you. So when you try again and again, so are you going to finish that strong? If you trying to finish that strong, definitely it will possible by you. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. You know something, whenever people get failures, definitely what I would like to advise all of them, you just keep trying, definitely you can get it. So just to believe in yourself and respect yourself and keep faith on yourself, definitely you can get it. So he said. So finally, Nick sir wants to express is one wish, that is, if I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. You know something, see how fantastic word it is. Only he wants to expect one person change through using his life. So if at least encourage one person in my life, with my activities, with my lifestyle, with my all, definitely my job done in this life. That I'm going to believe very strongly. So it is the story of attitude is altitude. So my dear students, finally what we have to understand from this story, basically Nick sir is a disabled person. As a disabled person, he faced a number of problems in his life, but he did not take step back at any situation in his life. So he always trying to go forward. Okay, whenever a problem comes in his life, he is always putting his complete effort to achieve it. So because of that idea, today he became a wonderful personality. Now Nick sir life and Nick sir is inspiration for many people in the society. How it is possible by him? Only because of his good attitude. So if we maintain that kind of a good attitude, definitely we can also achieve number of great things in our life, and finally one day our life also going to become inspiration someone. So it is very happy moment in our life to remember. So whenever we think about like this, we feel very proud. So if you want to make the dream true, definitely start from onwards to work on that. So when you do work, definitely you can achieve that thing. So it is a very inspirational story. Thanks to Nick sir, because he inspired a number of people all over in India, all over in the world. So it is the lesson about attitude is altitude. So maintain good attitude. That attitude definitely will take you one day high in your life. You can see number of successful events in your life. So they are eagerly waiting to enter into your life. So if you want to invite them into your life, you just work from onwards. Definitely you can feel and you can enjoy with that kind of events in the furtherly. So I'm hoping from onwards each and every student definitely get some realization about yourself, what you are doing for the life, for your future. You can definitely make number of questions to yourself, then you can follow a good mannered life. So if you at least implement some of the good things in your life, definitely you can achieve your life. You can make your dream true in the future. So I'm hoping all this to happen in your life. Thank you very much. Now we completed a reading. We'll meet again in our next session. Until then, see you. Bye. Everyone take a good practice. If you get any difficulty words, go with the dictionary and know more about difficulty words. Okay, now see you then. Bye.